Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Do you know chickpea is high in fiber and protein? Let's get started with our protein-rich and fiber-rich chickpea in air fryer. Will be crunchy chickpea recipe. But before that, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. For roasted chickpeas, let's get 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. I have strained them and patted dry with a paper towel, just like so. And then I have olive oil, salt, paprika and some chaat masala. Chaat masala is optional. Let's mix this well and add our chickpeas. Turn the air fryer to preheat. Once preheated, add air fryer liner and then add our chickpeas. I'm doing it in 2 separate batches so it becomes crispy. Keep it for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So in about 18 minutes, this is how it looks. Crunchy, crispy chickpeas. Add it on your salad or pack it in your lunchbox or just enjoy this healthy snack after school or after office or after exercising. So wasn't that easy? I hope you like this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.